Hey Rebecca, it's Kate here. So I just wanted to start off by saying your presentation was awesome. I really liked how you broke down your poster and made sure that we could see it. I also did this. I think you went into a little bit more detail than me. Um, so that was really great. I really liked how you started with glycolysis and how it forms 2-pyruvate from glucose, and then how that goes into the TCA cycle, and then how everything goes into oxidative phosphorylation or the electron transport chain, and the pentose phosphate pathway. You did a really great job of explaining how ATP is formed from each of these steps, and then in turn how everything comes together and there are branches off, and that's how more ATP is formed overall. So that was really great. I also thought it was great how you went into the purines and how the nucleotides are formed. It's actually something that I left out of my presentation, so oops. So that was really great. It really brought it to light, so I was more aware. I really just learned more from your presentation. It really stuck with me a little bit more than when I was making my poster, so I thought that was really great that it finally was put into words for me, so thank you. So overall, your presentation was awesome. You took a similar approach that I did. I went through glycolysis and everything step by step and went through everything and how ATP was formed. So yeah, great job. Well done, and good luck with everything. This was our last presentation, so great job.